to the VAT19 factory, where we make our best things here at VAT19. We make gummy. We even make merch. But one thing that we're best known for is our thinking putty. Crazy Aaron's thinking putty. Now, thinking putty is not like your regular type of silly putty that you could get at, well, basically any supermarket. It doesn't stick to many things, like such as body parts, like hair. And the can, well, don't worry about the can. Worry about the putty. The putty is stretchable. It's terrible, not like terrible. It is not terrible, but I mean terrible like terrible. It's sculptable. It's sculptable. And what's most extraordinary about thinking putty is that it's bounceable. Whoa. Here at the VAT19 factory, we make a million types of, we make hundreds and millions of stuff. But we're best known for our gummies and our thinking putty. Now, Crazy Aaron here has to say something. Where is Crazy Aaron? Crazy Aaron! Crazy Aaron! Oh! Oh, I'm Crazy Aaron. I am sure crazy, and I love thinking putty. Thank you, VAT19, for making me come and make my own putty.
Why is this?
Shush. You don't want to come to Shush, Mama. You don't want to come to King Kong or any store and get yourself some silly putty when you could go to VAT19 and buy the best putty in the world. My putty. My putty, thinking putty, is the best. I love everybody here at VAT19. I've been here for so many years, and each year I make millions and millions of dollars. I'm rich now, and I'm Crazy Aaron, and I approve this message. Crazy Aaron, man! Well, Crazy Aaron is sure crazy, but we like him. And he's very crazy. What? Man, crazy. Whoa. Crazy Aaron, man, you can't just do this every time. I make these commercials. Well, yeah, you know what? I just want my thinking putty. I don't even know anything what he's saying. Anyways, so thinking putty is very stretchable, very terrible, not terrible. I don't mean terrible like it's dumb. I mean like terrible like it can tear. Oh. It's sculptable, and what's most extraordinary about it is that Thanks for the putty. Well, I'm Crazy Aaron, and whoa! That's right, Crazy Aaron. You do not steal my commercial again. Whoa! Oh, man! Crazy Aaron! No! Thanks for the putty again. Whoa! Finally! Anyways, that's enough with you. Anyways, remember to get yourself some Crazy Aaron's Thinking Putty, and remember to check out Super Lava. And you may think, well, this is just my house, and really, I'm not working for VAT19 at all. This is not a factory. This is my house. I do not work for VAT19 at all, but I love sponsoring them. So remember to check out VAT19.com, and remember to check out their YouTube channel, VAT19. And remember, as always, subscribe to my channel to see some more VAT19 uploads. And remember to always hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Whoa! Oh. Bye, my Crazy Aaron Putty.